Alright everyone, welcome back to Time Flies By, and today we have yet another unboxing. It's another first for me in terms of branding and company wise. I have had something similar. It has moved on since. I believe it may have come from the same factory, but this is my first branded watch from this company. I've just taken it out of the cardboard and we're going to take it out of the packaging right now and see what it is. Oh wow, nice packaging. Looked like before they used that hard kind of Pelican style plastic case, but this one here is a nice little pouch kind of thing. But yeah, so that's the watch from Chronos. And let's open it up. All right. So you see the guarantee. It is written in. This might be a screwdriver. Oh, yeah, nice screwdriver. I like this pouch actually. It's a little bit better, more of an upgrade compared to that hard plastic style. This here looks like a nail file to buff out some scratches. I might not need that. Let's see what this is. So there's a little bit of a spoiler. Nice matching bronze buckle. And this will be my first Chronos watch. It is in bronze. I wonder what the alloy is. Oh, PT 5000, nice. My first experience with that as well. I've only heard good things about them. So we'll see. Let's get this off. If you guys had any experiences with the PT 5000, you can let me know in the comments down below. I believe it's a Chinese clone of an ETA movement. I'm not exactly sure which one, but look at that dial. So bronze bezel, bronze case. It's my first kind of Willard or turtle homage style watch. Really nice crystal. Black and gray sunburst, or like an anthracite sunburst style. Really nice hands. The stoplight second hand. Let's check out the bezel. Really nice. All lines up, no back play. Yes, really nice bezel. It's almost like a kind of like a reddish gold, rose gold. Sterile case back, not completely sterile, but Chronos and the bronze sapphire crystal and 200 meters water resistant. Quick release spring bars. The leather is okay. I mean, it's probably like a foam. Obviously it's not real or genuine anything, but it looks like it doesn't need to be broken in, and it does have the matching buckle, which is nice. So yeah, add another bronze watch to the collection, but most importantly, my first homage Willard style kind of cushion case. I have the SKX, but it's not quite the same. This one here is 44 millimeter, and yeah, so looking pretty good. I'm gonna get it on wrist shortly. It's nice packaging here. I really like this pouch. Could come in handy. Could be useful. Let's see what it looks like. Wrist check. Got the new Miyako helm, and this is on this stock nylon rib strap that it comes with. I still have to size the bracelet for it, but I've been wearing that quite a bit. And I know the lume on these Chronos watches are pretty good. So the one that I made reference to earlier was the Exciton watch. And that was basically made from the Kronos factory in China, with high tolerances, very high QC. And yeah, had a lot of good experiences with that watch. Sadly, it's moved on, but that's what happens. Okay, let's get this on wrist. So far, so good. Looks pretty good. Okay, the strap is a little stiff, but not too bad. And there it is. So 6 3/4 inch wrist. And yeah, fits pretty good. I like the look of it. Nice weight. And I'm looking forward to this one. How it patinas on wrist and just naturally getting that sheen off of it. So yeah, it looks good. Let me know what you guys think. I'll probably throw this on some sort of tropic style rubber. And yeah, let's check the loom really quick and then we'll wrap it up. The other option was for it to come with a some sort of rubber band, but I think it was a waffle style band. Yeah, so really good loom, just like I suspected. There's the loom pip. The bezel is really nice, actually. Yeah, looks good. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.